Hi guys, I have 5 new fragrances from Daddy Official and these are all from F-Boy range. So let's begin talking about these. The first variant that I want to talk about is the Dominator, the sprayer. Notes of mint, lavender, oak moss, some geranium and some sandalwood playing in the background. Zesty, green, earthy and a woody kind of a very mature fragrance. Some fragrances have that authoritative aura to them. This is one of them. Second perfume is Psychopath and it comes in this beautiful purple bottle. Kind of like a nice floral, soapy, sandalwoody kind of a fragrance which kind of gives me a very sophisticated, very put together kind of a personality. I don't know if psychopaths are supposed to smell like that. This has a very charming, very captivating, very enigmatic allure to it kind of a fragrance. So I wouldn't call this like a psychopath. In fact, I would call it something like a lover boy. Perfect everyday casual and office wear and quite unisex in nature. Next one is called Egomaniac. This is how the packaging looks like. The bottle looks quite stunning. I quite love the deep blue color that's in here. On my skin and clothes, this opens up with a very strong menthol or a minty opening. It has a very cooling effect. It has some citrusy nuances mixing up with some pepper, but also kind of has a smoky touch in this fragrance. Egomaniac scent profile is a very different, a very unique freshy fragrance, which is very unusual and different to my nose. This also kind of exudes confidence and kind of very self-assured kind of a person. Very confident and a chill out personality. This is what the perfume represents. This fragrance just has that icy effect to it, which makes it perfect summer weather wear. Perfume is God Complex and this is one of my favorite ones from this range. I love the opening of this one. It kind of is like Baccarat Rouge meeting pineapples kind of a situation. Has a very sweet, very beautiful, very crisp and a juicy opening of pineapple with some saffron mixing up with some woody nuances, cedar wood, agar wood, also some jasmine and fir balsam. If you've experienced a Nouf from Paris Corner, this is very similar to that scent profile, that aquatic marine pineapple mixing up with some woodiness and oud. Again, a perfect office and casual wear. And the last one is Toxic Supreme. I literally saved the best for the last. Supreme is a very oudi, rose, caramel, heavy kind of a fragrance. It has some sensual rose and exotic spices, lots of woodiness, has a very nice oriental feel to it. This is a perfect evening and nighttime wear, something that's best suited for dinner dates, clubbing, and kind of outdoorsy activities. These are my top 3 picks from this range. All of these fragrances are value for money because you're getting them under 500 rupees. The longevity of each of these spans for around 6 to 7 hours and the projection in sillage is medium to loud based on the number of sprays that you go with. If you're on a tight budget and you want to smell amazing, you don't want to compromise on that quality, go ahead and get these perfumes from Daddy Official. Comment link and I will share the perfume links in your DMs. Follow for more perfume content and I'll see you very soon in my next one. Bye.